Hi students, this is PK Sapra and this second video of class 7 subject ICT chapter 1 named formulas and functions in Calc. Topic of the session is cell referencing. Let us look at the following worksheet. As you can see, column is named as A, B, C, D, E, F and so on. And rows are numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. And each cell belongs to one column and one row. As you know, cell is defined as intersection of a row and a column. For example, this cell belongs to column B and row 2. So each cell has got a unique address which is found by column name and row number, and these cell addresses are used in formulas. For example, this formula equal to sum b1 colon b2 colon e2. In this function, cell addresses are used to recalculate formulas. Values of these cell addresses are used, and when you change values of those cell, then these formulas are also recalculated. Now, if you have to use the same formula at so many cells, for example, you can use this formula to F3, F4 and F5 also. So if you want to copy this formula to so many cells, then behavior of this formula depends on the style of writing that formula, and especially style of writing cell addresses in that formula. And basically there are three styles or three types of cell referencing or cell addresses. So what are those three types of cell referencing? Three types of cell referencing are relative cell referencing, absolute cell referencing and mixed cell referencing. What is the difference between these three types of cell referencing? Relative cell referencing, when you copy a formula, the relative cell addresses automatically gets adjusted. Means cell addresses will change. And when you use absolute cell referencing, and with absolute cell referencing, when you copy a formula, cell addresses do not change. Mixed cell referencing means one part of the cell address is absolute, another part of the cell address is relative. So when you are using mixed cell referencing, one part of the formula will change, another part of the formula will not change. For example, let's take example of this formula equal to sum b2 colon e2. If you change this formula from this cell, which is F2, to F3, then this will become equal to sum b3 colon e3. Row numbers will change because this formula is using a relative cell referencing, so it will change. And if you write here absolute cell referencing, then if you copy this will remain as equal to sum b2 colon e2. Now how to use relative cell referencing and how to use or write absolute cell referencing. So let us see. To write relative cell referencing, you can write formulas simply like this, b1 colon e1. But when you are using absolute cell referencing, put $1 before each part of the cell address. It will become absolute cell referencing. And mixed cell referencing, where one part of the formula or one part of the cell address is relative and one part is absolute. Then which absolute part you put dollar before absolute part, and before relative part do not put any dollar sign. Now look at question number. Let us discuss question number 4C of your exercise. Question number 4, which is as follows. What are the 3 types of cell referencing? Give differences among them. You can write answer like this. 3 types of cell referencing are relative cell referencing, absolute cell referencing, and mixed cell referencing. Differences among those: relative cell referencing, formulas change when you copy it to another cell. Example, A5 plus B5 equal to A5 plus B5. In absolute cell referencing, formula does not change when you copy it to another cell. Dollar sign is used before parts of the cell addresses. For example, $A $5 plus $B $5. And mixed cell referencing, when you copy a formula, only one part of the formula changes, as one part of the formula is, other part of the formula is absolute, and one part is absolute relative. So relative part of the formula will change. For example, equal to $A $5. If you have any doubt, you can write comment. Thank you.